Turning your engine 10J730. Turning is good, as you can see. The alternator looks nice and well. Compressor looks good, as you can see, no cracks, no damage. Moving down to the oil sump, there's no cracking, as you can see, no leaking, all is well. Now moving to the gearbox, looking like a gearbox, looking nice, looking well. Yep. The starter is looking like a starter, it is looking nice, it is good. Moving to the top of the engine, plugs look nice, look decent, very good, very nice. Top of the engine looks nice, all good. Turning your engine 10J730.